Hi, I'm Kevin Savitz with Antic, the Atari 8-bit podcast. I'm at the Living Computer Museum and Labs in Seattle for the British Computer Festival, and I'm going to unbox my new Atari 1020 color printer. It says printer, it's really a plotter, and I think this is the original shrink wrap, so we're going to do an unboxing and see what this thing looks like new out of the package. This is a plotter that was for use with the Atari 8-bit computers, of course. And yeah, this looks like this thing has never been unsealed. Letting out the 80s air. All right, let's see what we get. There we go. Take off the styrofoam. We have a beautiful Atari 1020 plotter. That isn't it pretty? We have the power supply. Looks like this thing output 9-volt AC, 31-volt amps. Same power supply used on the Atari 800. We have a roll of plotter paper. We have two sets of pens. These are little nibs that go in the plotter. It'd be interesting to see if these still have ink in them after all this time. Let's see if we can open one of these up. Show you what's here. So there's black, blue, green, and red. And these are basically little ballpoint pen sort of things that will actually draw the ink. There's two sets of those. Ooh, surprise stuff. I didn't know that was in there. We have folded up the manual here. Let's see what else is in here. We have a warranty card. I wonder if the 90-day warranty is still good. What do you think? The 1020 owner's guide, joystick sketchpad instruction guide. I think that's some software that we're about to find out, and the warranty registration card. And if I send this in, I will get a free copy of the Atari Connection magazine. So I look forward to receiving that in the mail in 4 to 6 weeks. This here is a joystick sketchpad cassette, some sort of software. Let's, if I can get this open quickly enough, we'll see if there's anything different on the other side. Get some scissors for that. And finally, a nice fresh SIO cable. So that's it. That is what is in our 1020 plotter. Yeah. And next, I think we'll look it up and see if the puppy still works. Look at that. It's beautiful, isn't it? Isn't that beautiful? Nice. Yes, we all agree. Okay.